If you've got a tiled floor, chances are you've spent some time cleaning grout. It's impossible not to end up with dirty grout. And while there are several grout cleaning products on the market, you might have something in your home right now that you can use to clean stained grout, and that is toilet bowl cleaner. That's right, regular old toilet bowl cleaner. Comes in this little squeeze bottle, and you just apply it directly to the grout joints. It's a gel, so it flows out pretty thickly, and it also contains bleach, so not only is light and stains, but it also will kill any mold or mildew. And so now you need to let that set for a good 30 or 40 minutes or so. Keep it wet and make sure the product stays right in the grout joints. And then use a scrub brush and just scrub it out, and then wipe it clean with a microfiber cloth. You can come back later with a little water to get up the excess. Scrubbing it for a few seconds, but look at the contrast from the clean grout to the dirty grout. And the other great thing is toilet bowl cleaner is a lot cheaper than grout cleaner.